Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Speak Local. My name is Romney, and I'm here with my sister, Aubrey. Today, we're talking about small talk.
For this conversation, Romney and I will be chatting at a party. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Romney. Nice to meet you.
It's great to meet you too. So, what do you do for work?
I work as a software engineer.
Oh, cool. How long have you been doing that?
Too long. Almost 10 years now.
Don't you like it?
It's okay. It pays the bills. How about you?
I'm a graphic designer.
Oh, that sounds better than software.
Well, the grass is always greener on the other side. It has its pros and cons.
Makes sense. So, what do you do when you're not working?
I love painting and traveling. How about you?
I like to go camping on the weekends.
That sounds fun.
And that's our whole conversation.
Making small talk is a great way to improve your English.
Keep practicing and remember to say everything out loud so the next time you meet someone new, you'll feel confident chatting. You got this.